Hello and welcome. My name is Maria de Souza. I am a Feldenkrais and a yoga teacher. I focus my work on posture, not only because good posture looks good on us, make us feel elegant, but also because good posture keeps pain away. Okay, so I'm on a mission to save the world from slouching and relieving pain in the process, one back at a time. So this week I come back to you with part 2 of the exercise to help you to come out of that pattern where the head is forwards of the spine. So you need to watch and do part 1 before you do this one, because this exercise, this video won't make any sense to you if you haven't watched the part 1. And to do this exercise you must do the part 1 first. You need to do all at once, in one go. Don't go and start this exercise without doing part 1. The best thing is for you to go to part 1, do it, and then do that exercise, and then carry on with this part 2. Okay, so and if you want the whole exercise in one take, in one video, then please click below, it's there for you. And if you are serious about your self-care and keeping your back safe and preventing pain and preventing a rounded back and look good and feel elegant, then please have a look at my digital course, Improve Your Posture in 21 Days, where I guide you through exercises and teachings to help you to have good posture, look good and feel elegant and keep away from pain. Okay, so have a look at that. And now let's go and lie on the floor. Okay, so now you're going to interlace your hands, and this few next exercises they can be challenging. So do what you can, okay? Do not push, do not force, go slowly, go gently, and see how it goes. But please be gentle with yourself, okay? So you're going to interlace your hands. You're going to bring your hands rest on the back of your head, but don't push your head down. The hands are soft, okay? And what you're going to do, you're going to lift one elbow away from the floor, and then you lift the other, and then you're going to lift both at the same time, okay? So bring your hands behind your head, and then lift one elbow, and then lift the other. The pelvis is relaxed, the jaw is relaxed. Try not to push your head down. And just notice this movement in your shoulder blades. Is there a difference between one shoulder blade and the other, or between one movement and the other? Just notice what's there. And lift as high as it goes comfortably. Make sure that the lower body is relaxed. Okay, and then let go and rest. Feel yourself. Okay, now you're going to lift both elbows at the same time. See how that feels. Relax as much as you can your lower body. Okay, and let go and rest. Okay. This time you're going to roll your head with the help of your hands behind your head. You're going to roll your head to one side, so you come to one cheek, and then you roll the head to the other side, you come to the other cheek. Okay, so your elbows are going to move from side to side, but you do that with by involving the torso. Okay, so the torso is involved in this movement as well. Okay, so bring your hands to rest on the back of your head. Remember not to push, and with the help of your hands you're going to lift, you're going to roll. Keep your elbows away from the floor as much as you can, and you're going to roll to one side, roll to the other side. With the help of your hands, roll the head from side to side. Breathe in and out. Don't push your head down. Relax the lower body as much as you can. Involve the torso. So you look under one arm and then the other. The head is rolling on the floor. Don't push your head. With the help of your hands, you're rolling from side to side. Breathe in and out. Okay, and then take a break and rest. Okay, then you're going to repeat these 3 movements. Okay, 3 or 4. You lift one and then other and then both and then roll. 3 movements. Yes. Okay, so you're going to you're going to lift one elbow, then the other, then both, and then you're going to roll the head. Okay, so we're going to put these 3 movements together. So bring your hands behind your head, and things might feel different now. Maybe you feel a bit more freedom in the area of the back. So see what feels different. Okay. All right. So bring your hands behind your head. Lift one elbow and then the other. Notice how does it feel now. Breathe in and out. Okay, then lift both elbows at the same time. Okay, and then roll the head from side to side. The pelvis is relaxed. Okay, and let go and rest. Roll your pelvis from side to side. That should feel good, just to release any tension you might have created around the pelvis. Okay, this is the end of this exercise. Then now, just like you did at the very beginning, just lift your head and just notice how that feels now. Do you feel that there is a better connection between your neck and your torso? There's more of your torso involved in this movement of lifting the head. Do let me know below what you have noticed, what changes you have seen. If you have questions, please do let me know below in the comments area, okay? And now come and rest on your back. Okay, so you are back onto your feet. Now just notice how things feel comparing to the beginning of this exercise. Bring your awareness to your feet. Notice where the weight of your body is on your feet. Notice what have changed for you there. Have a sense for your uprightness, your head on top of your spine. Notice how does it feel now comparing to the very beginning. And please let me know below what's going on. Let me know what was your experience, if you have any questions, so that I can support you. And thank you very much for doing this exercise. Well done for doing it. And as I said at the very beginning, remember that I have my digital courses if you want to carry on improving your posture, or if you want to do a full course to improve your posture with my help, have a look at my digital courses. I'll put the link below. And if this was of value to you, then please give me the thumbs up and distribute it within your friends and family, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye now. Okay, spend a moment here on your back. Just notice how things are comparing to the very beginning. Notice your lower back, the shoulder blades against the floor. What feels different? Roll your head from side to side again, slowly and gently, and notice if your awareness is more, if you feel in your awareness more of your spine as you turn the head. Can you sense more of your spine as you turn the head? How does it feel compared to the very beginning of this video, of the exercise? Just notice how things feel. What feels different? Please let me know below what's going on, what you have noticed. Now Notice how your head is resting on the floor. Notice if it changed. At the beginning you might have needed support below your head. Do you need support now? Is it the same thing? Is it different? Let me know below so I can comment. I can help you more, okay? All right. So, well, you can lie here on the floor for as long as you want. I'm going to let's stand up actually and see how things feel as you stand up, okay? On your feet. Okay, let's go and stand up. Okay, so you are back onto your feet. Now just notice how things feel comparing to the beginning of this exercise. Bring your awareness to your feet. Notice where the weight of your body is on your feet. Notice what have changed for you there. Have a sense for your uprightness, your head on top of your spine. Notice how does it feel now comparing to the very beginning. And please let me know below what's going on. Let me know what was your experience, if you have any questions, so that I can support you. And thank you very much for doing this exercise. Well done for doing it. And as I said at the very beginning, remember that I have my digital courses if you want to carry on improving your posture, or if you want to do a full course to improve your posture with my help, have a look at my digital courses. I'll put the link below. And if this was of value to you, then please give me the thumbs up and distribute it within your friends and family, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye now.